that one is not true. That is propaganda which Museveni made.
I've seen the photos of people with no
legs. Yes. That is propaganda which Museveni made. Let me tell you clear. That thing was happening in Uganda. Museveni went in the village and he cut the ear of the people, telling to the people that thing was done by LRA.
And just this is what you need to know coming in from Swipe News is that Joseph Kony has narrowly escaped getting captured by Russian military group. This is something which is so shocking, a very shocking news, and we need to get to Joseph Kony is somebody who has been tied with $5 million in case somebody arrests him. The US or the American War Crimes Award have pledged to give $5 million to any group or person who will give lead or capture Joseph Kony as a reward or benefit. Joseph Kony, on the other hand, has been denying all the claims against him in most of the interviews, and it is believed that Joseph Kony uses a kind of spirit to dodge getting captured. Now, as the news goes, the Wagner group, which has huge presence in several countries in Africa, reportedly closed in on in a remote corner of the Central African Republic earlier this month. Sources say Wagner's pursuit of Kony began when 14 defectors from LRA surrendered to a group posing as Central African Republic government forces at the end of last month. The men were, in fact, a Chadian army group affiliated with Wagner, which often partners with local militias to support its operations. Multiple sources independently described to the Rolling Stone a bloody near capture of Kony by the Russian mercenaries working for the group called Wagner. A social media post affiliated with Wagner also confirmed some aspects of the group's interest in capturing Joseph Kony. Sources further reveal that after taking the defectors into custody, Wagner forces attacked the village of Yemen, where Kony had recently pitched camp, and which is the site of a large marijuana plantation that funds an array of regional military groups. Locals say that Kony's camp was within 10 miles of the village. Details of the attack were reported by locals who described the firefight that killed between 2 to 8 people. The source further told the Rolling Stone publication, Wagner went there with two helicopters, and they fired down at Kony's camp, said Osman, the UPC commander. The airborne assault was followed by a ground operation, which led to a sustained firefight. As Wagner knew the bush well, they did a lot of damage. They burned the entire village of Yemen. There are small villages around it. They burned all those villages, all but Kony was not among the fallen. This amounts to hot pursuit in the African bush, says a U.S. source familiar with efforts to capture the warlord. The U.S. military got with 72 hours of Kony. Wagner may be even closer. With a history of disappearing into the bush, reports indicate that Kony fled towards Sudan. Afrique Media TV, a Krelian-linked media that serves as a primary source of information about Wagner activities in Africa, has not discussed the incident or the mercenary group's apparent interest in Africa or in Kony. But on Sunday, the 21st of April 2024, a Telegram channel known to be used by Wagner posted a statement saying the mercenary group had conducted an operation freeing 14 children enslaved by the rebel group for 8 years. ICC prosecutors are looking to charge Kony with 36 counts of war crimes and crimes against humanity, including murder, rape, using child soldiers, sexual slavery, forced marriage, and forced pregnancy. As a reminder, this is the story of a narrow escape by Kony, which also led to the rescue of 14 children and a bloodbath that led to the death of 8 people. This story, we will keep our eyes on it closed, and if you're subscribed, you will be among the first in case we get anything. Thank you.
But that thing was done by LRA, which is not true. I cannot cut the ear of my brother. I cannot kill the eye of my brother. I cannot kill my brother. That is not true.
Are you saying that the LRA have never been involved in any abductions, any mutilations, any rapes?
Yes.
They've never been involved?
LRA has never been involved on that one.